Welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to make some incredible American style pancakes. These are very quick and incredibly easy to make. We're going to begin by adding 310 grams of plain flour to a bowl, along with 50 grams of sugar, 1 heaped teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda or bicarbonate of soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We're then going to mix all of these dry ingredients together until it is completely combined. Then in a jug add 370 milliliters of milk, along with 1 whole egg, then optionally some vanilla extract. Then while whisking together, we're going to add around 3 tablespoons of melted butter that has been allowed to cool slightly. We're then going to create a small well in the middle of the dry mixture and add our wet mixture into it, mixing to combined. This should not take too long, and you do not want to overmix this mixture. The mixture should be quite thick, and you should be able to see the mixture bubbling slightly. This is from the reaction of the baking powder. We're then going to add some butter to a non-stick pan, and then put around 1 shallow ladle full into the centre of the pan. We're going to leave this in the pan until we see bubbles starting to form on the top, at which point we're going to use a plastic spatula to flip, using plastic to not damage the non-stick surface of the pan. This part is the most difficult and it may take some time getting used to. However, this mixture makes about 10 pancakes, and by your second or third one you should be able to get the hang of it. You're then going to repeat this process until all of your mixture is done, and then you can either stack them on top of each other like we have showed in this video, adding butter and some syrup as what is popular in America. However, I prefer them to not be stacked and having 1 or 2 on their own, adding toppings to them individually. These pancakes were incredibly easy to make and very delicious, and I would strongly recommend you making them, especially in the UK where it seems that crepes are the most popular form of pancake, and this could make a nice change from the norm. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and check our channel for other videos including our new shorts that we are doing. All of our social medias will also be in the description below, along with the full method in writing for this video.